Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an extreme cleaning of my refrigerator. I actually have done one of these in the past, so if you guys would like to watch that, be sure to go back and check it out. But I'm just going to be taking everything out of the fridge and then wiping it down really good. If you guys are wondering what I'm using to clean it with, I'm actually going to be using some Dawn dish soap, just a little bit of bleach, and I'm just using a regular dish rag and some kind of warm to hot water, and that's pretty much it. But it does a really good job in the refrigerator, and also this combination does a really good job on countertops, and that's normally what I wipe my countertops down with too. I don't use a lot of bleach, just like literally a couple of drops, but it does really help keep everything nice and clean and fresh, and I love it. And I personally just like to use bleach, but I know not everybody does, but I think it kills germs and keeps everything nice and clean. So I am just reorganizing a little bit. I wasn't really sure where I wanted to put things in the fridge. I just kind of do it as I go along, but I'm starting on the side door. And as you guys can tell, we have a ton of beer in our fridge because it was Father's Day and my husband's son bought him a 30-pack of beer. So we have a lot of beer. So if you guys want to come over and have a beer, we got plenty to go around. No, honestly, the beer probably won't be in there very long because the Coors Light is like my husband's favorite beer. I do not like beer, but it probably won't take him long to have a couple of those beers and they'll be gone. So I'm just going to be taking everything out, wiping it down really good, and then putting everything back. And I'm also going to be doing my freezer today as well. So I thought you guys could get some refrigerator cleaning motivation, and hopefully this will get you guys in the mood to do some cleaning in your house. And I don't know, these are kind of things that I like to do every once in a while. I feel like stuff just gets really gross. Like the refrigerator can get really gross, I feel like, really fast. Drinks get spilled in there, food gets left behind, and just like dirt builds up. I don't even know, but the refrigerator always gets messy from all the condiments and stuff. And I like to do mine probably every month, if not, like, if I'm lucky I might be able to go a little longer without wiping it completely out. But I do wipe up spills normally if like we spilled something in it. But today I'm actually doing like a deep clean, so I don't do this very often, but I am getting in there and scrubbing everything. And I actually need to do my oven too because the oven is really bad. But those are like a couple of my least favorite things that I like to clean, just to go ahead and give you guys a little backdrop about me. I probably don't like cleaning the refrigerator, the oven, and the shower. Those are like probably my top couple of things that I don't like to clean, and anything where I have to scrub for a long period of time I absolutely despise. So for those of you that are new to my channel, I do weekly cleaning videos, and just like every week I might not get a cleaning video up, but I'm going to try to start getting weekly cleaning videos up for you guys, so you guys will have something new to watch every week and get the cleaning motivation, because I know most of you guys are here for these kind of videos. But if you are new, I also do more than just cleaning, and if you're interested in watching some of my vlogs, be sure to check those out. We do a lot of family outings and just hang out pretty much. And we are getting ready to move into a new house in another month or two, so that's really exciting, and I wanted to take you guys along for the journey. So be sure to follow me on the vlogs. You can follow me on Instagram as well to keep up with like some of my picture posts and stories and that kind of stuff. I'm going to try to get better about posting stories on Instagram. You guys will have to let me know if you like that, but it's just kind of like more of a personal way to see what I'm doing every day and like a close-up of what I'm doing. And if you guys want to leave any messages on there, feel free to. Let me know what other kind of videos you guys would like to see cleaning wise. Be sure to let me know. I was able to get a video done at my grandma's house actually today as I'm filming this voiceover, so you guys will also have a cleaning video from my grandma's house, another one. I have several of those too if you guys want to go back and check those out as well. Just type in like cleaning at my grandma's house and then my name, and you should be able to find it. I'll try to link some stuff down below. I always forget to though, so I do apologize, but my memory is never really that good. So I'm working on the inside of the fridge now, and I'm going to be taking everything out of the drawers as well and cleaning that out, and then we're going to hit the freezer last. I was actually able to get all of this done. It probably took me like a good hour to clean this refrigerator. I was actually able to get it all done before Cole woke up, and I still had time when I was done to work on something else I think I got done before he woke up, because he's been taking like really long naps now, which I'm super excited about because I'm actually able to get stuff done. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to talk anymore throughout this video. I hope you guys find it motivational and gets you moving and doing some cleaning. So I hope you guys like it. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.
my